Hello and welcome to Miss Sam's Phonics class. We are learning set 4 sounds and let us practice spellings with segmenting. Can you spell the word jog? Jog. Stretch the word. What is the first sound in jog? J, j, jog, j, j. Yes, can you quickly write? J, jaw, oh, I can hear the sound oh next. Jog, jog. What do you hear last? Jog, jog, jog. Now can we read? Let's try. J, og, jog, og, jog. If we can read our word, then that means it is correct. We have to check after writing if we have written any extra sound, if we have missed any sound. So we will check our writing on our own. Jog, jog. That means we are able to read the word. That means this is correct. Very good. What is the next word? Jam. Jam. Can you spell jam? What is the first sound in jam? Jam. J, j, ja, ah. Yes, ah, ja, jam, 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 jam. Now we should try reading. Jam. We can read easily. Jam. That means we have not written any extra sound. Jam. We have not missed any sound. Jam. Jam. So remember, after writing, we must check we have written the spelling right or not on our own. We'll not take help from anyone. Okay? Good. Jam. Done? Yes. Shall we move to the next word? Yes. The word is jet. Jet. How do we write jet? J is the first sound and J is a monkey letter. J has a monkey tail, right? Yeah. J, E. E is a chicken letter. Sits between the two blue lines. J, E, t, t, t is the final sound. Jet. And t is a giraffe letter. J, E, t, jet. J, E, t, jet. Yes? Can you write jump? Jump is the word. How many sounds are there in the word jump? J, A, M, P. 4 sounds. J, A, M, P. Jump. Let's write the first sound. J. J. Done? Ja, a. J, a. J, a. Jump. 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 Let's read. J, a, m, p. Jump. We can read J, a, m, p. Jump. 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 Well done. So every time after writing, we must check if all the sounds are there, all the sounds we have written, or we have written something extra. We should check on our own. Okay? Yes? Let's go to the next word. What is the next word? Junk. 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 What is the first sound in junk? J. 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 Ah. J. Ah. Junk. Junk. K. K. Which k? Junk. Kicking k. In a one syllable word, after a consonant, at the end, we write K for C sound. If we write C, fine for that. Now we will learn slowly. Junk. J, A, N, K. Read. J, A, N, K. Junk. J, A, N, K. Junk. Junk. J, A, N, K. Junk. Join our phonics courses. Link is given in the description.